Hi everyone, welcome to my first unboxing video. So I'm definitely looking for feedback if you watch this. I have on this shirt, my most favorite person ever, because I am thinking that this may be her book. And I'm very excited about that. So I guess let's check it out, right? Let's see. I've never watched an unboxing video, and I've never done one, obviously. So, oh my god, it is! I'm so excited. My heart is truly, truly so happy right now. I can't wait. Yay! All right. So I just also really want to say thank you so, so very much to the individual that purchased this book for me. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. So that was pretty simple. If you've enjoyed this video or love this woman the way I do, hit that thumbs up button. And as always, thank you for watching.